Thank you for purchasing the CareCo Rollafold. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Rollafold lightweight rollator should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your door is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors. Once opened, you can now lift out the rollator. Next, remove the packaging and tape to separate the extra components. When cutting the cable ties, take care to avoid scratching the metal frame. Inside a small clear plastic bag, you'll find the instruction manual as well as the walking stick holder. Please keep hold of the manual as it contains useful advice on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. Raise the armrest of the Rollafold by the handles and then pull them apart, pressing down on the seat to fully open the rollator. Make sure the seat is pressed fully into the brackets beneath. We suggest applying the brakes to stop the rollator from moving as you finish the assembly. You can do this by pressing down on the easy squeeze handles. Now you can apply the backrest. With the backrest facing outwards, slot it onto the frame using the plastic grooves provided. Now you can add the carry bag. The shoulder strap can be removed and kept in the bag whilst using the rollator. Rest the fabric loops on the bag onto the hooks under the seat. Then use the Velcro straps to secure the bag to the frame. The walking stick holder is made up of two small plastic clips. Attach the smaller clip to the designated groove that's level with the seat. Then press the larger clip lower down the frame. This will provide support for the ferrule of your walking stick. Press the small buttons on the top of the handles to unlock and adjust their height. To make sure they're even, use the numbers printed on the side as a guide. Your Rollafold is now fully assembled. Please keep the box and any packaging safe and in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the CareCo Rollafold or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into a showroom or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.